Hi, this is PR Sundar and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about a company called Majesco. That is the talk of the town today. Yesterday they have declared 20,000 percentage of dividend, which is not heard of in the past. Usually companies will declare a small portion of their profit as dividend. Sometimes to reward the shareholders, on some special occasions, they do some special dividends. Sometimes, let us say, if there is a company having 4 or 5 divisions, and if they're selling one division and they're raising a large amount of money, which they don't know what to do, what they do, they just distribute that money as a dividend. Say, for example, a company, a pharmaceutical company holding a lot of land, and because of good price they are disposing the land and they are getting hundreds of crores. They don't need that money for the business expansion. They can distribute as a special dividend. But this is the first time a company has declared so much of dividend, and the dividend is almost same as the market price. Yesterday, so many people called me, "Sir, you are having a lot of trading profit and you buy a lot of the shares, Majesco, and you will get back the entire money as the dividend, and then the price will go down. You sell the shares, you book the huge loss. That huge loss can be offset against the huge profit that you are making in trading." And let me tell you, this is a totally wrong concept. First thing is that, number one, there is something called dividend striping in income tax rule. If you are buying any share only for the purpose of getting a huge dividend, which was tax free until last year, and then you book the loss here in the share price to offset the profit, that is called dividend striping. The income tax can refuse to give you the loss benefit. Income tax rule states very clearly that if you have bought 3 months before the record date, and if you are selling within 3 months after the record date, and if you are booking a huge dividend and showing the loss in the short-term capital, they are not going to accept it. So that is number one. That is illegal. Second thing, assuming that even you are doing that, it makes sense to do these kind of things when the dividend was tax-free. But now the dividend is taxed in the hands of the shareholder, and it will be added into their income and they will be taxed accordingly. I'm going to give you a specific example. Let us say a person has bought Majesco share at 500 rupees 2-3 months ago. Now the share price is 1000. He is sitting with a 500 rupees capital gain. Now the company declared 974 rupees, but let us, for simple example, let us take it 1000 rupees. The company declared 1000 rupees dividend. He can do two things. One, he can hold on to the share and he will receive 1000 rupees as the dividend. That 1000 rupees will become his income. And most of the people have income tax bracket anywhere from 35% to 42%. So if he is getting 1000 rupees as the dividend, he will end up paying about 350 rupees to 420 rupees as the tax. Instead, if he sell the shares today in the market for 1000 rupees, he bought it for 500 and selling for 1000. That means his capital gain is only 500 rupees, for which he is supposed to pay only 15% capital gain tax. That is only 75 rupees. So, which is more sensible? Paying 75 rupees tax or 350 to 420 rupees as a tax? So, this company has sold its entire business. So, therefore, after this dividend, the share price is likely to go down below 10 rupees. So, therefore, whichever way you look at it, you are not going to benefit. There is a very common sense question. It's called efficient market hypothesis, which says that whatever you know, everybody knows. And whatever everybody knows is already factored into the market. So if you can buy a share for 1000 rupees, you get the dividend for 1000 rupees dividend, you can get such a big benefit. Then who are the people selling? And let me tell you, the people who are selling now, they are the more smart people and not the buyers. So that is why the people always say information is wealth, and that is more important for stock market. I hope you learned something new today called dividend striping. Thank you for watching.